If you're planning to go to Las Vegas but your budget is quite limited, I prepared some of the things you need to know before you go. This is LexGo. Not everyone who's going to Vegas has a lot of money to burn in the casinos. Many are on a budget, dropping by just to experience what this Sin City is all about. And here are my 7 tips for travelers ready to rock Vegas on a budget. There's so much to see and experience in this entertainment city that you don't have to pay for. That's near the strip to avoid the cost of taxis. If you find these tips helpful so far, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to LexGo. And now for more tips. At the airport, when you get into a taxi, tell the driver you want to be taken to your hotel via Swenson Avenue and not the airport tunnel, as the latter will cost you more. For budget travelers, the bus is most recommended to go around this desert city. Getting a discount card could save you a great deal on attractions. If you love shopping, the outlet stores offer huge discounts right after a major US holiday. Do you find this video helpful? Travel guides like this save you a lot of time and money. Send $1 of support to its creator, so I may continue to empower more travelers like you.